Today I'm going to share with you the most demanding, stylish, stunning, and eye-catching haircut ideas with unique and great styling ideas for all girls and women. I must suggest you why this video will end. You will find all kind of cutting ideas in my video. These are very beautiful for those ladies and for those girls who love to these type of cuttings and hair dye ideas. They will enhance your personality wherever and whenever you want. All these cutting ideas are so stylish and so trendy. If you like these cutting ideas, so take a screenshot and save your mobiles and try your heads. I swear you're looking so gorgeous. They will give you a whimsical and romantic looks, bound to make a heart flutters. These all hair dye colors are so pretty and so useful. All cutting ideas are so trendy and so gorgeous. If you try this your heads, you're looking so pretty and so beautiful.